Hello, friends. How are you? Today I have brought before you spring onions or green onions. It's having so many benefits. It kills the cancer cells inside our body, it keeps the intestine clean, it's energy booster as well as very good for heart. So, why not to move to the kitchen and make some dish out of this onion? Yes, we are in the kitchen now, and before making a recipe, wash the green onions thoroughly with water. Then, after washing the onions, take 10 to 12 onions, and we are going to make vinegar onion recipe. I took 500 milliliters of water and added about 2 to 3 cups of white vinegar, and I added some powder. This is beetroot powder I have made at home, and you can add you can say fresh beetroot, about 1/4 one slice you can add. And now this liquid add this in the sterilized glass bottle, and add about 12 to 10 bulbs of onion, and the leftover green part we will use for making a recipe. And this green part is very healthy. And keep the bottle for one day. The next day our vinegar onion is ready to be served, and you can serve at lunchtime or dinner time. I'm getting such a good fragrance of vinegar onions, and I remember being served in five-star hotel or some dhaba with tandoori chapati or dal makhani. Add salt in vinegar onions. As per this, vinegar onions are very healthy for you, and you must consume them anytime. So why to delay? They are really good for our heart, and it's good for have those who are having cancer. And now see, our first dish is ready, and it is given the name as vinegar onions. And now we are going to make the second dish. And what is the second dish? It's very yummy. I'm going to take 2 or 3 onions, and then I'm going to chop them. Remember, you have to wash them, and green part of the onions also have to be chopped like I'm showing. And add about 1 tablespoon of oil in the, you can say, kadai or utensils which you are using. And you can add 1 tablespoon of jeera, and half tablespoon of coriander powder, and half tablespoon of haldi powder. Let them be roasted till they turn light brown. Oh, now then add all the ingredients in the utensil which we are using. They are really very beneficial for our health. You don't ignore these green onions, and they're having medicinal value also. So when they have been chopped and ready to be poured, wait, let it turn light brown color, and you can hear some voice, chit chit voice also. And after that you can add 1 tablespoon of salt, and you can add chopped onions, chopped green part of these onions, 2 or 3 tablespoon of soaked moong dal for about 2 hours. And this dal is really very beneficial. And you can add 2 or 3 chopped tomatoes. Now cover the lid for about 5 to 6 minutes. And this is the moong dal I'm adding in it. See, it's really having medicinal value also, and this is going to give a lot of benefit to your body. Now cover this with the lid, and now open the lid after 5 to 6 minutes, and see, the oil is separated from the utensils. So wow, what a beautiful color. Our dish is ready to be served. And these green onions are having so yummy flavor. Here you may add 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala also. And after adding this garam masala, you can close the gas here. And this is having a very yummy flavor. And I'm pouring all this in the bowl to be served. It is really very good for diabetic patients. Really don't miss it. It is good for heart, as I told you. and it is good for constipation, keeps constipation away. Give this dish to your children in the family, to husband for tiffin, or you may serve as a side dish to your guest also. Make this sabji. Thank you for watching the video, dear friends. You may share, subscribe my video, and what is your opinion? You may comment me for more videos for healthy recipes. Thank you, friends. Thank you so